This is Mark, your other chopstick guy with your small bite of the day. So hey, we just took a drive out to Vasquez Rocks outside of Los Angeles, where numerous films and TV shows, and today they're actually shooting a commercial. We came out to get some pictures of Vasquez Rocks, but we have tons of cars, production trucks all in the way, but we were not going to be deterred to where we couldn't take a photo. So the idea is that I need to hide all of these rocks and all of these people that are in the parking lot. The way I'm going to do it is I'm not going to try to fix it in Photoshop. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to Photoshop with my feet. And that is, I'm going to climb the hill. Well, I've already climbed the hill. I'm going to get behind these rocks right here, and I'm actually going to use this rock right here to hide those people, those cars. And if I get in the right spot, like right here, I can take this shot, and look at that. It looks like I'm all alone out in the wilderness. So next time you're somewhere and you've got things in the foreground that you're worried about, find something to hide behind to hide them and still get the shot. This is Mark, your other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day.